Hello friends, today I will discuss the earthing. So before I discuss this, let me consider a few points. One is necessity, definition, pack earthing. So coming to the necessity, suppose we have a electrical device which is imbalanced and which do not have the earthing, and suppose a person right hand come in contact with this device and let the left hand is touching the ground. In that case, the current starts passing through the right hand and then passes through the heart, then goes to the left hand, then reaches the ground. In this process, the high current flowing through the heart will see that will likely to make the person die. So the other case, suppose electrical device is there which is not grounded or earthed, and suppose the person right leg comes into contact with the device and the foot of the right leg is touching the ground. In that case, the high current passes from the device to this right leg, then passes through it, then goes to the ground. In this process, when the high current passes through the body, then this part is likely to become paralyzed or damaged. So, like this, if there is no grounding for the electrical devices or system, then the human beings are likely to be affected by the shocks. Then, what is the definition of this earthing? Earthing is nothing but a separate wire connected to the ground from the all supply terminals of the house or the device whose earthing points are connected to this wire, and that wire goes to the earth. So to do that, there are several methods. Earlier methods are using the a wire, digging a pit, and in that we pour the salt, charcoal, etc. Then we connect the wire and the rod there, and that the in that case, when there is any imbalance in the electrical system, that fault current passes through the ground to the ground via the charcoal and salt and the sand. The difficulty with that earthing is we have to maintain wet condition, means every day we have to pour the water to the earth pit. So if that is not there, so then that will not work effectively. So to overcome that, there is another type of earthing that is called the pack earthing. So in this pack earthing, we use what is called the pack powder. Pack means it is a polyaluminum chloride, and we also use a 3 meters GI rod with holes like this, here and here. Here there are two holes, here there are two holes. So through these two holes, we connect the copper wire here also, and then those two wires will join, and that joining wire will go to the wire that is coming from the earth points of the house or device. So packed powder means it looks like this. So its cost is normally 7 rupees per kg. For earthing a house, we need normally 25 to 50 kgs, and we need a bowl like this, and then we have to pour water in that, and then pour this sufficient pack powder in this, and then mix it well, and there should be proper wet condition. Then we follow the process like this. So let us say this is the house. From the house earth points are brought to this point. From this point, run a wire which is 3 meters length from here to here like this. Then there dig a pit like this which is more than 3 meters. Then put the this GI rod like this. Then pour the this pack powder which is mixed with the water. So keep this rod at the center, then pour the pack powder which is mixed with the water like this until this rod also closed like this. Then from the rod, if you look at this, this is one copper wire, this is another copper wire. These two are brought out and they are connected together. That together point is connected to the wire that is coming from the earth points of the house like this. So once this is done, it does not require daily maintenance. So it can maintain the effective earthing for next 20 years. That is the advantage of pack earthing. This is in usage nowadays. Let me summarize once again. That is what we have seen what is the necessity of the earthing, and we also saw the definition of earthing. Then we also saw what is pack earthing. The cost of this pack earthing comes out to be approximately 6,000 rupees. And if you use the two pits like this for a house, then it becomes 12,000.